All right, you guys, welcome to your rest and restore class. This is going to be about a 30-minute class. It's all going to be, should feel pretty restful and restorative on your body. So let's go ahead and get started in the fabric. So what you're going to do is you're going to come around to the front of your silk, find the front edge of the fabric, make sure it is the true edge and that your fabric isn't folded. Now we're going to go ahead, fan it right and left just to make sure the fabric's not twisted or bundled up. And then you're going to collect 6 handfuls of the silk. So starting with that edge, you're going to collect about 6 handfuls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that should take you about halfway into the center of the fabric. Now bring the fabric back behind you. You're going to hook your elbows inside and step underneath your plumb line. Push the fabric under your seat and all the way to the creases of the knees. Once you have that, take both hands to your right side. Collect all the fabric together. You're going to press the silk away from you and take your right leg up and over the silk so you end up straddling the fabric. The fabric is in between your legs. Once you have that, grab the 2 edges of the fabric, pull yourself upright so you're seated nice and tall and your shoulders are stacked directly over your hips. Allow your knees to open. This is going to be your starting position. Rest your hands onto your knees, palms facing up. Drop your shoulders down away from your ears. Draw your navel towards your spine. Close your eyes, and we'll just begin with the breath. So you'll take a full deep inhale through your nose, completely filling up the lungs. As you exhale, you practice closing off the back of your throat, working into Ujjayi breathing, completely compressing all the air in the lungs. Do that again. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose, close off the back of your throat, slowly compress the air out. Breathe for 3. 4. 5. And last one. Go ahead and softly open up your eyes. You're going to work to keep this breath work with you as you move throughout this practice. Go ahead and collect all the fabric together out in front. So you're collecting it like a single rope. One hand should be above the other, doesn't matter which one it is. The hands are right in line with the chest. Now I want you to push the fabric away from your chest, locking out those arms. Pull your shoulder blades away from your spine, so you're rounding into the spine, draw your chin into your chest, and just gently roll your head right and left, creating a half circle here with the head. So a little massage into the neck. Keep dropping the shoulders down from the ears. Rolling right and left a few times. And then bring your head back through center. Release your right hand from the fabric. Reach down, pick up your right foot. The foot should be flex with the toes extended up towards the ceiling. Place the foot inside the fabric. Make sure it's directly centered. Now switch to hands. Right hand's going to hold onto the silk. Release the left hand. Reach down, catch a hold of the left foot. Place it inside. Feet bones should be touching with no fabric here between the feet. Now the heels are somewhat in line with your navel or with your chest, depending on how long your torso is. Once you have those feet in place your hands inside of those knees. You're going to push your knees down and forward to open up those hips. Now keep dropping the shoulders down away from the ears. This will be depending on the flexibility. That will tell you how far away you can get those knees. Make sure you're pressing to a comfortable stretch and you're not pushing too deep. Hold for just a few breaths. Maybe every exhale, you can press those knees a little bit further away, opening up here to the hips and into the groin. And then you go ahead and gently release. Inhale, arms overhead. Pull your navel towards your spine. And then exhale, wrap your arms around the fabric so you can get opposite elbows. Pull the heels towards the chest. Shoulders down away from your ears and round your body forward, reaching the crown of the head down towards the toes. Take a few breaths. breaths, opening up here. And then go ahead and gently release. You're going to pull the fabric taut, so you're pulling out any wrinkles in the silk. Now the left leg is going to slide straight up the silk. So you're going to lean back a little bit, create some space between your chest and your feet. Slide your left leg straight up and flex the foot. Work to get that left leg straight. If you have really tight hamstrings, soften the knee a little bit. Now take this right foot and place the ankle directly above on the higher part of the thigh in front of that left leg. So our legs are creating a figure 4 position, okay? Flex out through the left foot, inhale, arms overhead, and then exhale, we're going to take the arms around the fabric and see if you can interlock the fingers at the heel. If that's too far, just grab behind the calf or behind the knee. If you can grab at the heel, pull the heel down, shoulders down away from the ears, bend into the elbows, and work to get the forehead towards the shin. You should feel a nice stretch and lengthen here throughout the back line of that left leg. Inhale, release halfway. Exhale, release those hands. Now, you're going to go ahead and cross the right foot on top and in front of the left leg. So our feet are kind of mimicking like the sciatic stretch of what you might do in a normal yoga class. Now, you want to make sure those feet are flat, so you don't want to be rolling in on the feet. Press through those feet like you're standing on them. Now, reach up if it's possible. Grab at the balls of the feet. Pull those toes down, the elbows are moving towards the shins. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and then exhale, elbows towards the shins, round the spine. Bring your forehead towards your knee, and open up the spine. Really forcefully keep pulling down on those feet so you feel that nice stretch. Inhale, release halfway. Exhale, completely release. Now we're going to place our right heel on the fabric. Slide the left leg down. We're just moving into that second side. So right leg is going to stay straight. Grab along the left leg. Place the ankle just above